Hi, I'm Rustin Ledke, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Kato Cable. We have a long history of developing wire harnesses for the mobile vehicle industry. Our harnesses are designed to withstand the harshest environments, including waste and refuse management, concrete mixers, fire trucks, ambulatory vehicles, and more. Rest assured, we can meet your needs whether the harness is a high volume, low complexity item, or a low volume, high complexity application. Kato Cable has made significant investments in automation technology for the production of wire harnesses, such as our Comax Zetas. We also offer Kanban solutions, packaging and service part solutions, and consultation on battery cables and engineering. Connect with the Kato Cable sales team today to learn more about our wire harness capabilities for mobile vehicles, or to schedule a tour of our world-class facilities.